Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to use Iyable, the new internet browser. First what we're going to do is we're going to go to iyable.com and grab ourselves a copy of the installer. In this case I already have it installed, so you would just click download and run the installer. It's pretty simple. So I'm just going to click off to the side here and that closes the web page, and you'll notice that by entering that URL I just created a new bubble for Iyable. You'll also notice that I can move it around. And what it also does is it creates a tab up top with the thumbnail showing you exactly what website you have active. If you go down here, you'll see that there are also a lot of groups, and that really sets Iyable apart from other browsers. So say I want to add Iyable into the important group. You just pick it up, drag it over, and drop. And now it's actually part of this group, so it stretches with the group. But now say I don't really think it belongs in that group. I can remove it, drag it off to the side, and actually create a new group for it. So just hit Control and drag, lasso it, and you have a new group. This also works for multiple bubbles. So if you click on the label, you can just rename it to whatever you want, in this case, Iyable group. So now you have a new group, and you can interact with this group just like any other. Now notice I have an everyday group. What's really useful is that I can take that entire group and pin it all up to the tab bar all at once using pin. And that's really useful because say I have something that I always log on to when I go onto the browser. And up top you see it loads the thumbnails as the pages load. And that's very useful because as you start getting more and more tabs, you can sort of see what's in it. You can slide off, open different tabs, close them. And it's very, very easy to see visually what you're doing here. So you can slide around, just move things, and you can also then unpin the group to take them off the pin board. If you go to the side here, you'll see trending bubbles. And there are different groups. The first group is based on your physical location. So I'm from Hoboken, and you can see that for Hoboken people, Hoboken 411 and New York Times are important. Off to the right, you'll see what are the most popular websites across the entire internet, so Reddit, Facebook, And then at the bottom, what it does is it personalizes this based on every user. So Iyable knows I'm a Stevens student, puts websites like stevens.edu for when I need to do schoolwork, Wikipedia if I need to do some research, and then Yahoo Answers for when I have some homework due. It also, throws in some fun websites like Jello Time for when I'm feeling a little stressed from the work. So I can close that and then go back to the main tabs. And now back to where my bubbles are. And that pretty much covers Iyable. It's very simple and really changes the way you're going to be browsing. So thanks for listening and give it a shot.